And I'll give you just a little tip here, a couple tips. Number one, with cooking your own meals, if you're like me and you don't have a lot of time, pick a day. My day is Sunday. I cook enough for the next 3 days because I don't eat too much food after 2 and 3 days. But on Sunday, I cook enough for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. And on Wednesday, my husband cooks for Wednesday and Thursday, or he buys for Wednesday and Thursday, whichever. And then on Friday and the weekend, everybody's on their own anyway. So that's just one way. If you cook on Sunday, it'll last you through the middle of the week. If you cook again, it'll last you through the end of the week. You're cooking twice. So you're not, and I'm not saying that you eat the same thing. What I'm saying is, so maybe you make a big salad. I learned this from a girlfriend. Shout out to Robin. I love you. She, way back in the day, she was like, Dorethia, just make a really big, beautiful salad. And then you can put chicken on top one day. You can put salmon on top the next day. It can be a side on one of the days. And then you make a couple of meats that'll last you those 3 days and some vegetables for a side, etc. If you're rice and potatoes, boom. So you're not having to eat the same things every day, but you've cooked in advance. So you don't feel like you're cooking every day. And you're not paying all these other services to bring you food, whether it's cooked or groceries. And then look at how much money you save. I know that for me, I know that with a grocery delivery, by the time I tip and pay the service fee, it's an extra $20 or $25. And we already know with the prepared meals where they pick up what you order, I don't even want to talk about that. I really feel like one time I ordered and it was almost half my bill. So I was like, no. I got to chill out on this unless it's just absolutely an emergency.